What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today we're going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of Spirit Halloween's 2023 Creepy Rising Doll.
Never stand between a threat, which is
So, I used to have this prop a long time ago. I didn't get the big version like Spirit has. I had something, I think it was Morris Costumes. I don't know where they got it from. It was this place near me, this local store, Imaginations. That's where I got it. But yeah, now we have the return version, which with a much better mechanism. This is the tall version. So I am really excited because this is gonna bring back like nostalgia for sure. So let's open up this box. First thing you see is the clothes, actually. These Tech Squad. So here's the clothes. I'll bring them out right now. And then I already see the mechanism right there. Okay, yeah. So this looks like, I don't know what this is actually. A bunch of the clothes, or maybe the hood. Not sure. Okay, I think that's just the clothes. And this is the hood right there, so that's cool. And here, this is a hand. Another hand. Looks like right here we actually have the mechanism. Maybe. Yep, right here. Mechanism, IR sensor. So yeah, it's gonna make her rise up and down. Definitely an upgrade from what it used to be. It used to be like winches and ropes and stuff, which that was painful to watch. And all the wires just get stuck everywhere. It was really bad. Happened literally every single time it used to click, and then that ultimately made her break on my end. So definitely gotta change that. Popping out right now is gonna be the head. And here it is. Woo! We got her. Cool head. It's definitely a lot better quality than the other one. The other one also had problems with the head cracking. So yeah, they fixed that. Now it's a really, really hard plastic. So that's definitely good. Definitely a lot, like, most of the Spirit props that have returned recently have been just kind of exact remakes, like literally old blueprints and crap. This is like full new updated design, which is awesome. So happy about that. And cardboard packaging. Right here, we've got the hunchback kind of thing. She doesn't have a huge hunchback, but she's also not very small. She starts out at 5'4", and then she rises up to 6'9". So definitely a pretty big change in height. Here's the instructions. Probably not going to use them today, but always nice to have them. I believe this is the adapter. Won't use that box jam. 6-volt 2-amp, like literally every other Spirit prop, basically. And this is a weird looking thing. So this looks like it opens and closes the arms. Alright guys, so she is broken right out of the package, but I do know how to fix her. It's not a big deal. Right here, last thing is the base. I'm not sure what is attached. Okay, those are leg poles. So yeah, let me repair that piece real quick, and then we can get right into the setup. Alright guys, moved her over. Hopefully she's all good, ready for the demo. Alright guys, so it turns out that I got like a prototype or something tested version because she was like halfway up. So the piece that I needed to put in, I couldn't put in right. AKA it made her like not be in the right place. So it kind of made her not be able to go up. Now I got her in the right place. I'm glad it's got sent to me because I know a lot about spirit props. So it should be working now. I just tested it.
Hello. Do you want to play with me? Let's play a game. The rules are very simple. Come over here and I'll show you. Don't be afraid. Come a little closer. That's right. Here, let me stand up so I can see you.
Ah, yes. Now I can see you. You look good enough to eat. We can play hide and seek if you want to. You run and I'll come find you. I love a good chase.
So yeah, she is really cool. I think for $229, I think you're getting a lot for $229. She rises up. She has a really good animation. She's very scary. She gets pretty tall. She gets like, it looks like almost 7 feet. It says 6'9" on the thing, but I think she gets up to 7 feet. I think she's really, really tall. If this thing isn't 7 feet, then I can't wait to see what the Deathstalker looks like tomorrow. He should be coming in soon. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will be leaving a link in the description to purchase her. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, also in the description will be my merch, the 2 links. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.